tuning into my channel. My name is Yadrissa. I know it's been a while. I took a little break from social media, from posting, but I am back at it, and today I'm going to show you how I got this glueless wig installed. As you can see, this hair is very beautiful. It has a lot of body, and this wig that I purchased is from Amazon. This is an Amazon find. This is 26 inches and it is a 5x4 closure wig, a glueless closure wig, which means I didn't use any lace glue or any adhesive spray to apply this wig. So as always, if you have not already done so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the details of how I installed this wig. So let's get right into the video. If anybody has watched any of my videos before, you would know that I like to get straight into the videos. I don't like to waste too much time. So I was just showing you guys here that this is a glueless wig unit, and I was just showing you guys that it's not glued down, and it's not I didn't use any like adhesive spray to attach this wig. I was just showing proof. So this is a wig with the close-up. As you can see, this is a 5x4 closure glueless wig, and it comes with an elastic band on the inside, and it's adjustable. So I did really like that. I did tell you guys before that this is a 26-inch body weight wig, but I'm just showing you guys the wig close up and how it looks. And as you can see, you don't need to bleach the knots or anything like that. I am using my Ruby Kisses foundation cream, and I'm using that brush to just apply this foundation to the inside on the lace only of this closure wig, because I want this lace to blend and look so flawless that you think that it is growing from the scalp. It's blended in. The lace is not going to be light. It's going to be my exact color. So I'm now putting the wig on my head. As you can see, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. I didn't have to do any bleaching or anything like that. The knots came pre-bleached on this wig and pre-plucked as well. So as you can see how flawless and seamless that wig is. As soon as I placed it on top of my head, I do have to do a little tweaking, so I am going to comb through the wig, and I am going to do my little thing on it just to make it a little bit more flawless. I'm going to be using my Edge Booster wax sticks today, and I'm going to be applying that to my part, and I'm just applying this to the area that I want to be smoothed down on this wig. I am going in with my hot comb on a high setting. I think this goes up into 400 degrees. And as you can see, when I first put the wig on my head, it is kind of it does sit a little high. It is a little bit high, so I was trying to lay the hair down, and I was using my hot comb to do that. Make sure the hot comb is not too hot when you are using it. Make sure you be careful. I've hurt myself a couple of times, so learn from me and take your time and make sure your hair is not in the way, or you're moving too fast, thinking you a professional and you're not, like me, and just burn your forehead. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, just laying it down. That wax stick really helps a lot because it helps the hair lay down in place, and it really gets it to lay down really flat. I like to go over the areas a couple of times with that hot comb just to make sure it is flat as possible, and nothing is sticking up, and it is to my liking. So go over it how many times you need to you feel you need to go over the part with that hot comb. I did learn this method from someone else here on YouTube as far as the wax stick, and I see a lot of people on Instagram doing this as well, so I thought I might try it, and I really loved it, and I haven't went back since. As far as not using the wax stick, it really helps a lot. So what I'm doing now, and I'm showing you the versatility of this wig, and like I said before, this is an Amazon find. I'm really feeling myself right now, so don't come for me. I'm just showing y'all you can do a side part or a middle part, and it's easy as just shifting the wig to the side. The wig looks really good. It's really shiny. It's really full as well from root to tips. Very affordable. 26 inches body wig, Amazon. Go get you one. Let me know what you guys think of this video down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already done so already. Thank you for tuning into another one of my videos. And if you haven't already, go check out some of my other install videos that I have here on my channel. stay tuned to another video. I'm just going to let you guys continue to watch me just comb it and just play with it. Also, don't forget to connect with me on my other social media platforms. Stay tuned.